The Liege waffle isn't just a waffle, it's a dense, chewy and decadent experience originating from the city of Liege. It stands apart, made from a yeast-leavened dough similar to brioche. It delivers a tender, chewy interior, unlike the other popular Belgian waffle, the Brussels waffle, which is crisp, light and airy. Start by activating the yeast. In a beaker, combine 10 grams or 1/3 of an ounce of white sugar with 65 grams or 2.3 ounces of milk. Heat the mixture somewhere between 30 and 35 degrees Celsius, 85 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Then add 10 grams or 1/3 of an ounce of dry yeast. After 5 minutes, the mixture should be frothy and bubbly, proof that the yeast is active. In a stand mixer, sift 400 grams or 14 ounces of all-purpose flour. Add 42 grams or 1.5 ounces of vanilla sugar and 5 grams or 0.2 ounces of salt. Mix the dry ingredients. Then add 2 whole eggs and the activated yeast mixture. Gradually incorporate 170 grams or 6 ounces of softened butter and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Remove the dough from the bowl and shape it into a ball by folding the edges underneath until the surface is taut. Place the dough back into the bowl and cover with a damp towel and let the dough rise at room temperature for about an hour or until it doubles in size. Once risen, fold in 170 grams or 6 ounces of pearl sugar. Pearl sugar or nib sugar is a type of specialty sugar made of irregularly shaped, opaque white sugar pearls that don't melt easily when baked. Once the sugar is folded into the dough, divide the dough into 80 gram portions and shape them into balls. If you liked the video so far, please like and subscribe. Once rolled, let them rest again under a damp towel for 20 minutes. Preheat your waffle iron and lightly brush the plates with oil when heated. Place each dough ball in the center of the iron and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Keep an eye on the waffle as it cooks to ensure it doesn't burn. Adjust the timing or the temperature if needed. Be sure to re-oil before adding each waffle. After each batch, remove any caramelized sugar from the plates to prevent burning and sticking during the next cook. Liege waffles are best enjoyed warm, straight from the iron. Just be careful with the molten sugar, which can be very hot enough to burn you. But if you're saving the waffles for later, let them cool on a wire rack and store them in a metal tin to preserve the texture. And there you have it, a true taste of Belgium. A warm, caramel and butter scented delight, perfect at home or picked up from a street vendor during a leisurely stroll. Enjoy!